Hello everyone. How to solve first derivative of x radical? Solution. F prime x equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x over h. This is derivative definition formulas. Then f of x plus h equal to x plus h radical in the radical. F of x equal to radical x. Then lim f of x plus h equal to radical x plus h minus f of x equal to radical x over h. H tends to 0. Then, to solve this limit expression, multiply numerator and denominator by conjugative of numerator. Lim h tends to 0, radical x plus h minus radical x over h times radical x plus h plus radical x over radical x plus h plus radical x. Radical x plus h times radical x plus h equal to x plus h. Lim h tends to 0. Radical x plus h times radical x equal to plus radical x times radical x plus h. Radical minus radical x times radical x plus h is minus radical x times radical x plus h. Minus radical x times radical x equal to minus x. Then h times radical x plus h plus radical x. Then this cancelled by this one, x cancelled by minus x. Then lim h tends to 0, 0 equal to 1 over h over h times radical x plus h plus radical x. Then h cancelled by h, lim h tends to 0, 1 over x plus h plus radical x. Then using direct substitution to replace h value. Lim h tends to 0, 1 over x plus 0 plus radical x. Then lim h tends to 0, 1 over radical x plus radical x equal to 1, 0, 1. Then 2 times radical x. So, first derivative of radical x equal to 1 over 2 times radical x.